Hello friends! Right now we are going to show 6 best electric scooter, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we've included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. VOLPAM Electric Scooter. 350, 500, 800, 1000 watt powerful motor and 19, 22, 9 miles per hour top speed. 16, 28, 10 miles long range, folding e-scooter choice. Brand VOLPAM. Color gray-red. Special feature digital display, dual braking system, lights, lightweight. Weight limit 264 pounds. Number of wheels 2. Model name SP03. Wheel material, rubber. Wheel size, 8.5 inches. Powerful and efficient ride. Equipped with a robust 350-watt rated motor, which delivers a top speed of 19 miles per hour and supports a range of up to 23 miles per charge. Perfect for your daily commute or campus cruising. 8.5-inch solid tire. Enjoy a smoother ride with 8.5-inch anti-slip solid tires from rough terrain. Whether it's city streets or campus paths, glide with confidence and stability. Safety first design. Features a dual braking system, front electronic brake plus rear drum brake for reliable stopping power. Paired with bright front headlights and rear taillights, you'll stay visible and secure even in low light conditions.
Number 2. VOLPAM Electric Scooter. Powerful motor and 19-22 9 miles per hour top speed, 16-28 10 miles long range, folding e-scooter choice. Brand VOLPAM. Special feature digital display, dual braking system, lightweight. Weight limit 264 pounds. Number of wheels 2. Model name Q2. Wheel material rubber. Wheel size 8.5 inches. Powerful performance. The electric scooter equipped with 350-watt powerful motor and high-capacity battery. Electric scooter allows for speeds up to 19 miles per hour and max range up to 15 miles under specific conditions. Scooter has 4 hours fast charging function, perfect for daily commuting or short trip. Keep you safe. Dual braking system, front electronic brake plus rear wheel drum brake, plus lighting system, warning tail light plus bright headlight, plus 8.5-inch solid tires, provide a good ride and are very smooth. Electric scooter bring you more comfortable and safer riding experience. Number 3. Aovowheel Electric Scooter for adults. Folding e-scooter with 250 to 500 watt motor, 25 to 24 miles per hour top speed, max 15 to 60 miles long range, 6.5, 8.5, 10, 14 solid tires commuting scooters, dual brakes. Brand Aovowheel. Color gray and orange. Special feature digital display, disc, foldable. Weight limit 265 pounds. Number of wheels 2. Wheel material rubber. E-scooter powerful performance. The Y01 electric scooter equipped with 350-watt, peak 700-watt powerful motor and high-capacity battery. Electric scooter allows for speeds up to 19 miles per hour and max range up to 21 miles under specific conditions. Experience a breezy 20-degree uphill journey, 4 hours fast charging, perfect for daily commuting or short trip. Max load is 265 pounds. This e-scooter has UL 2272 certified. Number 5. VOLPAM Electric Scooter. Brand VOLPAM. Color gray. Special feature cruise control, digital display, dual braking system, foldable. Weight limit 264 pounds. Number of wheels 2. Model name SP06. Wheel material rubber. Wheel size 8.5 inches. Great performance. This electric scooter for adults equipped with 350-watt powerful motor and a high-capacity battery, electric scooter allows for speeds up to 19 miles per hour and max range up to 21 miles under specific conditions. Scooter max load 265 lbs. Safety first. Electric scooter bright headlight make you visible at night. Dual braking system, drum braking, and EABS anti-lock braking ensure your safety. Our electric scooter bring you more comfortable and safer riding experience. 8.5-inch maintenance-free solid tire. Electric scooter comes with 8.5-inch solid tires. Honeycomb solid tires are designed to make riding more convenient and less hassle. The honeycomb tire does not require inflation, repair, maintenance.
Number 4. Maxshot Electric Scooter. 8.5, 10, 14-inch tire. 16, 19, 22 miles per hour top speed. 12, 16, 21, 27, 28, 49, 50 miles long range. Folding e-scooter for adults and kids with seat bag, dual braking, dual suspension. Brand, Maxshot. Special feature, cruise control, app control, digital display, dual braking system, foldable, non-slip deck. Weight limit, 265 pounds. Model name, V1S Pro. Wheel material, rubber. Frame material, aluminum. Dual suspension and solid tire. The 10-inch honeycomb tires, along with the shock-absorbing system, make this electric scooter adults for a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough surfaces, while the tires don't require additional maintenance or repair. This e-scooter can handle common inclines well. LED display and smart control and lockable. You can check your speed, modes, and battery level on the LED digital display. Check and control the electric scooter's features via your cell phone, such as checking cruise control, speedometer, unlocking or locking the scooter, and more. It works with both iPhone and Android smartphones.
Number 6. VOLPAM Electric Scooter. Brand, VOLPAM. Color, dark black. Age range description, adult. Special feature, digital display, dual braking system, foldable. Weight limit, 264 pounds. Number of wheels, 2. Model name, SP08. Wheel material, rubber. Wheel size, 10 inches. Wheel type, solid.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.